it's Jonathan from 1802 and Company, back today with the Chinese Shoe Patcher, which of course is a good inexpensive leather sewing machine. And we're going to make a vertical card holding wallet today with the Chinese Shoe Patcher. Been trying to get a video up for a while now. By the time this video gets posted, it's very possible we'll have a new baby here. So with all that going on, as you can imagine, it's been rather difficult to get any time to make videos. So what I've got right now is a pattern that I made for a vertical card holding wallet. Alright, so I'm just cutting out the pattern. You can see I already got a couple pieces of the card pockets cut out. Got a few more of the inserts to cut out. Alright, now this next step is optional. This is just what I like to do. I like to take the leather. I like to get some leather balm. I don't need a whole lot. I like to put it on there before I cut into everything. I'm just going to get some on here. This leather balm is something that I make. And I know there's a lot of leather balms on the market. Few of them are good homemade leather balms made here in the US. But for me, this is what I've always used, and this is what I like. And then I also, a little trick is on the shoe patcher, you can use this down here on some of the arms, which on the arm of mine I have it covered, but up here, put it on here, and guess what? My shoe patcher isn't covered in rust. There's so many shoe patchers I've seen that are covered in rust. Alright everyone, it's actually the next day. If you're wondering why I now have sleeves on. First thing that needs to be done is each one of these pieces have an edge that needs to be burnished before anything else. So, now some people I've seen heat the beeswax to put it on there. I actually just rub the beeswax on. I admit it would be nice if it was a little bit softer, but I just rub the beeswax on there. This is wax, it's just essentially like a crayon. It's going to come off, leave a little bit on there, don't do too much, and then the friction from the burnishing will actually melt it in. Let's set our insert here. I'm going to pull that out. Where's my scratch awl? Okay, now I got my line to glue on. Now for glue, I'm using a water-based contact cement. Alright, so now the glue is mostly set up for the piece. I'm going to go ahead, line it up. Alright, now I'm going to run this. I'm going to run a stitching through there, so we'll take it over to the sewing machine. Alright. I'm going to run it backwards, a couple stitches to back stitch. Alright, I went ahead and did a time jump. Went ahead and I got the wallet glued up. I'm going to go ahead and do a final sanding around the edges before I stitch, and then we'll go through and do our finishing work. I'm going to put a groove in now, just right along the edge. The reason I'm doing this is it's just easier to follow on the sewing machine since there's not really any reference marks on these shoe patchers. There you have it. We have a beautiful leather vertical card holding wallet made today with the shoe patcher here, and just really a few simple tools. You don't have to get a whole lot of fancy tools or equipment to be able to start making these. Most of it's just time, patience, and more importantly, practice. The shoe patcher here is a great inexpensive leather sewing machine. It makes it very easy to get started with leathercraft while sewing with a machine rather than punching the holes and having to hand sew them. It is a bit different. It is a bit of a learning curve. These machines are unique. You're going to have to learn the ins and outs of your machine, but once you do, boy, what a great result you get. This wallet will be up for sale. Link will be below. Matter of fact, for the sewing machine here, there'll be a link down below. That is an affiliate link, so if you purchase it, you help support me and this channel. It really helps justify doing these videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe. I'm planning on doing a lot more videos, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss anything. I hope to have a bunch more videos up soon. Till then, thanks a lot everybody. Take care.